I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is an adorable version of Tahu, the Toa of Fire from the 2001 Lego Bionicle series. It is time now for Tahu from the Bionicle series. More like Bionicles. Let's begin. Drop the base. Let's get some legs. Ooh, very cool shoes. Building the body. Not looking much like Tahu at the moment, but we've got lots more to add. Now we need to add some arms. Oh, those are pretty small arms. Let's make them a bit bigger with these things. This goes in here. Whew! And check this out. Whoop, 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 whoop. Can you do the Macarena? We've got a body, we've got some arms. We need a face. We'll put one there, one there. Add some hair, add some nice luscious red locks there. If you are the Tahu of Fire, you need to see the fire. So, one eye there, another eye there. Whoop! There we go. Oh, we've got a mouth now. We've got a hand. Now we need to add the coolest part. The fire! Tahu, the Toa of Fire. Oh my goodness. If you would like to see some more unbox and play, click the link below, just down there. And be sure to like and subscribe to this video and to this channel. And we'll see you next time.